Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into an adventurous trekking scene, a memory drawing of a thrilling mountain climb with a group of 4 enthusiastic adventurers. Let's get started. Before we start, let me extend a warm welcome to the CSS channel for all the creative minds out there. To get better understanding, follow the steps as shown. Pause the video, draw the step and then proceed to the next step. Use A4, A3 size drawing paper, 2B pencil for drawing, and have a drawing pad for support. You can find the links to these products in the description below, which are shortlisted by CSS experts. This tutorial is meant to develop your memory retention, study of human figure and anatomy, visualization skills. For today's artistry trivia, which Indian artist is known as the pioneer of Indian art and is renowned for his realistic portrayal of Indian culture? Drop your guesses in the comments below and stay tuned till the end to know the correct answer. Let's get started. Let's capture the excitement and joy of this trekking memory drawing together. We will start by placing the characters by drawing their outlines. We will draw the human body using simple shapes. We will draw the torso using curved rectangle and the limbs using cylinders. To draw the faces, use oval shapes. We will also draw the details, which are the hikers' hats, their bags and their hiking boots. One of our adventurer is mountain climbing in the scene, while the rest of his companions watch and guide. Remember to sketch the expression of the climber a little more tense than the rest. One of the companions is guiding to help our climber, so remember to draw one of his arms stretched out in the direction of the mountain. After cleaning up the outlines and removing the rough lines of the characters, we will move on to drawing the background and the sky. I am drawing a tree with small bushes around it, a couple of clouds and a mountain range in long distance. We are finally at the fun stage, coloring. Let's add depth and realism by shading. Use light strokes to create shadows and highlights, giving a three-dimensional feel to our trekking scene. As you shade, envision the sunlight casting its glow on the mountain peaks and the expressions of our adventurers. Blend the colors and add texture to bring out the roughness of the rocks and the excitement on their faces. And there we have it, a vibrant and exhilarating trekking scene etched in our memory. Now, coming back to the artistry trivia question. The right answer is Raja Ravi Verma, who is the Indian artist hailed as the pioneer of realistic Indian art. He gained fame for his lifelike depictions of Indian culture and society in the 19th century. I would like to see your creative end results, so share your output to me on WhatsApp for further evaluation and feedback. For more such helpful and insightful tutorials, make sure to visit the Creative Skills Society YouTube channel. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and hit the bell icon to never miss a drawing tutorial from CSS.